everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are exploring holistic figure dance using Python. This is our Python script for holistic figure dance. Here we are using both a background video and a dance movement video for our Python script. Now execute our Python script. In our first output, we are using dance movements from the movie Pushpa 1 and a background video with smoke effects in the Python script. Now we are moving on to our second output, where we will incorporate another dance video. In our output 2, we are using dance movements from the movie Pushpa 2 and a background video with smoke effects in the Python script. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share your valuable thoughts in the comments.